Hi, welcome to Natural Alternatives. My name is Ernest Hota. I'm the director and founder of Natural Alternatives, and along with 3 other physicians and a host of staff that we have here, we specialize in creating alternative pathways for people to recover from injury, from lifelong pain issues that they have suffered with. And today we're going to spend some time talking about an issue that affects so many people involving the TMJ, or the temporomandibular joint. And this particular area of structure is extremely difficult to treat, in that a lot of the muscles lie within the structure of the jaw, but also into the face and to the neck. And some of the manual techniques that are applied aren't even very effective because you can't even get to these attachments. So today we're going to utilize a machine that we specialize in here in our clinic called an electroacuoscope, and we're going to demonstrate with one of our clients how we accomplish addressing and getting at the TMJ, or this entire structural component of the face and the jaw. Many issues that people suffer with, involving headaches, chronic jaw pain, teeth pain, sinus complications, mattery, watery eyes, all kinds of issues that involve nerve roots that encompass this entire jaw and face area can be treated effectively by going after the temporomandibular joint, or the TMJ. So again, bear with, and we're going to go through and address that today. So at this point, what we're going to do is attempt, using microcurrent therapy, to go through this entire structure of the jaw that involves the muscles, as you saw from the charts that we presented here, that work in through the entire jaw, down into the neck, and even into the top of the shoulder, the back of the occipital area. They encompass around the ear. Major groups of nerves and muscles all coordinated together. They affect our facial features, your swallowing, chewing, all these different things. And so many times people have lots of pain and dysfunction. They could have been created by genetic or congenital defects. They could be by injury, nerve pain, so on and so forth. So our goal is to try to affect getting through this entire structure that has muscles and tissue that is overlaid. It's almost impossible. So I've got almost impossible to get to, but I've got a pad set here, and right now the electroacuoscope is set up so that I'm going to actually push this current through all these layers of tissue that impact and affect this jaw. And so again, with the current moving all the way through from her forehead, it's running laterally down along the side of her chin and her jaw, I can make this current flow through tissues that we can't even physically get to. You can look at these charts. You could go to any place you want onto the internet and look at charts and locations of the muscles and the nerves that affect the TMJ area, and some of them are literally near impossible without surgery or some kind of major intervention to try to get to them. Here, with an electroacuoscope, we have the ability to get to these tissues and work them from both a remote position, but also literally distally and physically right to the site. So beautiful thing about the electroacuoscope is the ability to go in and treat, hyperstimulate, heal, and rejuvenate these damaged tissues. And again, they could be for a whole host of reasons. People suffer from lifelong issues involving the jaw, chronic headaches, sinus problems, allergy issues, and they don't realize that many of these symptoms that they're struggling with are directly connected to issues that involve the temporomandibular joint. So again, common acronym is the TMJ, but many people suffer with long-term and lifelong issues that involve this joint. So the most common thing that we deal with in our clinic is the residual effect of people having gone through dental work. Many times after going to see a dentist and having maybe even as simple as a teeth cleaning done, people will end up with sore, painful jaws, and they come into our clinic and we address these issues. The beautiful part about using electroacuotherapy and treating the way we did today is a completely painless procedure. All they feel is me going in with the probe and working the muscles and all the nerves and stuff around here, but again, painless procedure, and it helps completely resolve the pain and dysfunctions these people suffered with. So again, even something as simple as a dental procedure can create that. And again, I'd like to give you an opportunity. I know this is not a complete synoptic lesson today of TMJ dysfunction, but I'd love to give you an opportunity to come into Natural Alternatives and see how we can help you, and those of you who suffer with this type of pain.
Thank you for watching Wellness for Life.